ओम नमः शिवाय मोर स्नेहर छात्र छात्री माने दीपुसर ज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल को स्वागत करुछि। आज पिला माने प्लस टू सेकेंड ईयर आर्ट्स कॉमर्स एवं साइंस एवं वोकेशनल पिला मानक पई इंग्लिश रो गोटे सुंदर वीडियोटे मु आज उपस्थापन करुछि। इंग्लिश रो छुआ हमर स्टोरी विषय दी मंकीज पाव डब्ल्यू जाकब्स द्वारा रचित एवं ए मंकीज पाव जो स्टोरी विषयटी रही ए विषयर मु बछा बछा एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन पिला माने तैयारी करिछि जाकि तुम मानक सहित आज मु डिस्कशन करी एवं आगु को आमर फाइनल परीक्षा एग्जाम अच्छी फेब्रुआरी मास एग्जाम इंग्लिश एग्जाम अच्छी तेणु से एग्जाम को आखि आगे रखी पिला माने मु बछा बछा एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन तैयारी करिछि आज तुम सहित डिस्कशन करुछि आ परीक्षार ए क्वेश्चन गुडी आसीबा सुनिश्चित। प्रथम क्वेश्चन मन तो पिला माने दी मंकीज पाव तार अथर होचंती डब्ल्यू जाकब्स। प्रथम क्वेश्चन कहिछि दी व्हाइट फैमिली इज इन ए मूड। ऑप्शन सीरियस, रिलैक्स्ड, सैड, फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग। उत्तर होछि रिलैक्स्ड। 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन मिस्टर व्हाइट इज डेस ऑफ पॉलिटिशियंस। ऑप्शन जेलियस, प्राउड, क्रिटिकल, नन ऑफ दिस। उत्तर होछि पिला माने क्रिटिकल। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि सर्जेंट मेजर मॉरिस visits the white family in days weather fine, dull, hostile, typical। उत्तर होछि hostile। 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने that the story of monkey's paw is about magic evokes a dash response from the whites। Option curious, cold, cheerful, mysterious। उत्तर होछि curious। 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला मान अछि while narrating the story of monkey's paw there was a ring of dash in its tone। Option pathos, irony, seriousness। पिला माने उत्तर होछि seriousness। 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए मैजिक स्पेल on the paw grants dash wishes to its user 4, 3, more than 3, none of these। उत्तर होछि 3। 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन one who uses monkey's paw invites option disaster, pressure, pleasure, happiness। उत्तर होछि disaster। Herbert is a believer in the magical power of monkey's paw। Option firm, reluctant, rational, none of these। उत्तर होछि बी ऑप्शन reluctant। 9 number question the monkey's paw behaved dash in response to Mr. White first wish। Option nicely, menacingly, mockingly। उत्तर होछि menacingly। 10 number question Mr. White first wish has been fulfilled। Option dramatically, immediately, after a pretty long time। पिला माने आउथर कोइ दो देखो मिस्टर व्हाइट फर्स्ट विश हैज बीन फुलफिल्ड ड्रामेटिकली। 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन द न्यूज ऑफ हर्बर्ट डेथ मेक्स मिसेस व्हाइट साइलेंट, स्क्रीम, टेरिबली ग्रीफ स्ट्रिकन, अनबिलीवेबली काम। आउथर जो कोइ देखो द न्यूज ऑफ हर्बर्ट डेथ मेक्स मिसेस व्हाइट आंसर होछि टेरिबली ग्रीफ स्ट्रिकन। 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने मिस्टर व्हाइट yields to his wife dash to go for the other 2 wishes। Option request, advice, pressure, none of these। आउथर जो रिपीट कर देखो मिस्टर व्हाइट yields to his wife dash to go for the other 2 wishes। Option request, advice, pressure। उत्तर होछि pressure। Putting the spill on the monkey. Putting the spill on the monkey's paw indicates man's dash. Instably, greed for more, instantly, craving for achieving more. उत्तर होची ए ऑप्शन instably greed for more. 14 number question. What was Mr. White complaint about the rain? What was Mr. White complaint about the rain? Option: it was not non-stopping raining. It was thunder storm raining heavily. Third option: politicians were inactive when the road was getting overflooded with rainwater. Fourth option: there was a great communication problem during the rainy days. उत्तर होची सी ऑप्शन, politicians were inactive when the road was getting overflooded with rainwater. 15 number question କହିଛି what happened in Bombay during the rainy season? Option आउथर क्वेश्चन कहूँ what happens in Bombay during the rainy season? Option: the traffic system is totally failed. People are hopped up Bombay during the rainy season. The whole town is flooded with rainwater. One cannot comes out of his home. उत्तर पिला मन होची people are hopped up Bombay during the rainy season. 16 number question पिला माने कहिछि Herbert wanted to go to India. Option: to see the beautiful tourist spot, to see the old temples and visit one of the holy men performing miracles, to start a business there, to visit the holy places there. आउथर चको दे Herbert wanted to go to India. B option: to see the old temples and visit one of the holy men performing miracles. 7 number question. What was special about the monkey's paw is told by Maurice? Option A: it looked like a tiger's paw. It had a special put on it by an old holy man. It looked fascinating and quite different. It was very hard and oily. उत्तर पिला मन होची it had a special put on it by an old holy man. 8 number question पिला मन कहिछि what was strange magic about the monkeys? Option: started dancing when touched by someone. It made a thrilling sound when someone whispered to it. 3 people could each have 3 wishes from it. उत्तर पिला मन होची C option: 3 people could each have their wishes from it. 19 number question. Third wish of the first owner of monkey's paw was. Third wish of the first owner of the monkey's paw was. Option: to have a heap of gold coins, to end his life or death, to make him immortal, to have a lot of wealth. उत्तर होची to end his life or death. 20 number question. Maurice suddenly threw the paw into the fire to the great surprise of Mr. White because option: he was afraid of the monkey's paw. He did not want to keep it. 3 option: it had caused him enough trouble already and he did not want his friend to be put into the trouble. पिलामन देखो 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा. व्हाट इन्फॉर्मेशन डिड द स्ट्रेंजर ब्रिंग फॉर मिस्टर एंड मिस्टर व्हाइट? ऑप्शन: देयर सन हर्बर्ट हैड गॉन ऑन इटली टूर टू लंडन. द पाव स्टार्टेड एंड ट्विस्टेड इन मिस्टर व्हाइट हैंड. देयर सन वाज रिवार्डेड 200 पाउंड्स फॉर हिज एफिशिएंट. देयर सन वाज फायर्ड फ्रॉम द सर्विस. पिलामन उत्तर होची द पाव स्टार्टेड एंड ट्विस्टेड in Mr. Whitehand. 22 number question कहिछि what did information give the stranger at last to the whites? Option: the company would give job to one of the member of his family. The company would not be held responsible for the death of Herbert. C option: the company, in consideration of their son's work, would like to give them a sum of £200 as compensation. ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଗିଭ୍ ଦି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜର ଏଟ୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍। ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ସି ଅପସନ୍। ଦି କମ୍ପାନୀ ଇନ୍ କନସିଡରେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦେୟାର ସନ୍ସ ୱାର୍କ would like to give them a sum of £200 as compensation. 23 number question छुआ, what did Mr. White tell his wife? What did Mr. White tell his wife? Option: he could only recognize their son by his wristwatch. He could recognize Herbert by his clothes. He could not recognize their son, was unable to. Their beloved son's body had been mangled in the one machinery. उत्तर होजी पिला माने जे मिस्टर व्हाइट टेल हिज वाइफ he could recognize Herbert by his clothes. 24 number question, Mr. White told Mrs. White that Herbert was dead, but he was found to be unhurt. Herbert was too unmindful while working. Herbert was mangled in the machinery. Herbert was seriously wounded. उत्तर होजी मिस्टर व्हाइट told Mrs. White that C option, Herbert was mangled in the machinery. 25 number question छुआ, what message does the writer give to the readers through the story? What message does the writer give to the readers through the story? Option: it is wise to satisfy our wants with what we have. B option: it is wise to lead a luxurious living. C option: it is dangerous to wish for something beyond our reach. D option: always wish for the high things. ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ, the writer give the readers through the story. C option: it is dangerous to wish for something beyond our reach. ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ, ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ monkeys ପାଓ ଷ୍ଟୋରି monkeys ପାଓ ର ସମସ୍ତ MCQ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କଲି, ଯାହାକି ସବୁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ। ତେଣୁ ଆଗକୁ 2025 ଫାଇନାଲ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ରେ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ସମସ୍ତ MCQ ଆସିବ। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଛୁଆ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ ତୁମ ଆଗରେ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିବି MCQ। ତା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ 2 ମାର୍କିଆ ଏବଂ 3 ମାର୍କିଆ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବି। ପିଲାମାନେ ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥାଏ ନିହାତି ତାକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବ, କମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ, ନିହାତି ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବ ଏବଂ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେୟାର କରିବ।